Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Of course, you are not seeing my beautiful, lovely face on video this morning. The reason is that I'm actually at a friend's house for the lake, at friend's house at the lake for July 4th holiday, and I'm on my laptop to record and do videos, and my video camera just does not work anymore, so I apologize for that. You're just not going to be able to see my shining face. Of course, you guys know I'm kidding on that, and but I wanted to still continue to bring you content because it's important and it's relevant to kind of keep up to date and let me let you know. There you go. There's the mistake for the day. What SC is going on in the overall market. So in this video, we're going to talk about kind of the overall market trends and what I see transpiring. Let's start off with what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both are up a little bit. Ethereum is definitely beating Bitcoin just a little bit in the overall kind of 1 hour, 24 hour, and 7-day trend line there. Bitcoin at 33,582. Let's see. Cardano continuing to kind of just tread water. I bought Cardano the other day at $1.32. Dogecoin is flat as well. Really not doing a tremendous amount. I've said this before, and I'm continuing to say this, guys. I firmly believe that what you're seeing right here, right now, is a couple of things. I think that in the United States, everybody is focused on July 4th holiday, and so they are either number one, they're with their families. Number two, they're away from their computers, just really not doing anything. It's Friday, obviously leading into the weekend, and I don't think that we're going to see any really major movement right now in the markets. I've said this a bunch. I'm going to continue to say this. I know that you guys come to me for kind of overall market information as well, and I firmly believe that's what's happening. So number one, we got July 4th. Number two, we've got people that are, I think a large percentage of people, kind of a larger version of the July 4th holiday is people are, away for vacation and things like that. So I think that we're going to continue to kind of see the market be flat for the next 7 to 8, 9 days, give or take. Okay. Dogecoin, again, as I already mentioned, XRP did a video on them yesterday that did really, really well. I think that XRP is poised to absolutely go higher because of some of the moves they're making in the B2B cryptocurrency space. I think that they're absolutely going to become a standout. Polkadot is actually doing pretty good overall, kind of coming back for some pretty deep lows, if you will, and I'm digging into those guys pretty soon. Okay, Litecoin I think is again flat. You can see the overall trend is really flat. Solana is up 11% in the last 7 days, and I think continuing to be kind of put together somewhat of a nice trend there. Polygon flat in this, down a little bit overall 7 days, but has kind of 2.4% on the last hour or so. Ethereum Classic, look at the last 7 days on Ethereum Classic, made a nice, really, really nice run. In fact, probably the biggest standout right now in the last 7-day run. ICP is up 28% in the last 7 days, so ETC has beat them there. As far as some overall cryptos that I really like that I'm looking to reestablish positions in, VeChain, I'm definitely a fan of VeChain. I know you guys like to hear me talk about, kind of cryptos that I'm looking at. Theta, I'm absolutely a fan. I'm going to buy some Theta in the very near future as well. Filecoin has always been kind of interesting to me. I might pick up a little bit of that. Let's see. I'm hearing some decent things about Tron. I need to look at those guys, but I think that there might be something there as well. Shiba, obviously, we'll talk about Shiba here just in a minute. You guys know I talk about Shiba a fair amount on my channel because, frankly, it's the content you guys want to see me create and want me to bring to you guys. Okay, so continuing on, Algorand, I'm absolutely a fan of Algo. Cosmos, I'm looking to pick up some Atom there. And let me see, AMP, I own AMP. I do own some AMP. Terra Luna, I'm going to establish some positions in Terra as well. And Theta Fuel, that's a good one. What else is down here? I like BTT, but I don't know if I'm going to buy any BTT. I like the utility, the use case. Obviously, crypto built around the whole BitTorrent download, situation there. So there was one. Zcash came up the other day on one of my calls. I think I might look at them. I own some Chili's, so I do like Chili's. Thorchain is one that people talk quite a bit about, and Telcoin. There's a lot of interest in Telcoin. Those are the kind of some of the ones that are kind of big out there so to speak. SafeMoon, let's take a look real quickly at SafeMoon, see what we got going on there. You know, last time I refreshed, they were up 13. Now they're down 1.81. Take a look at the news for SafeMoon. So yeah, really no new news there. I haven't looked at SafeMoon in a good 3 or 4 days, so I don't have enough really to tell you there. What I do like about SafeMoon is their executive team's out in front and center all the time. They've, you know, developing their own wallets, developing their own exchange, things like that. And I wish they were easier to buy. That's really my only real thing about them. I wish they were on crypto.com, things like that, and I would absolutely establish probably a position in them. Okay, so I do like SafeMoon though overall. So let's take a look at Shiba. So Shiba is right down here. Where is it? Oh, I passed it. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so Shiba is just continuing to do what I've been saying it's going to do. It is a little flat, if not really doing anything. You know, we're waiting on all of our catalysts. If you want a more specific deep dive into Shiba, I've got a video on them that is also here on my channel today. Just the latest and kind of greatest update with them. So we've got some developments potentially with Satoshi, talking about Shiba Swap. So go check out that video if you're interested in more of kind of a deeper dive. You know, there. But the overall 7-day trend line really shows flat to, you know, a really flat sideways consolidation. And if you want to look at the trading view chart, is exactly kind of what I thought would happen. We had this pretty nice trend where we were going up, and then right here is where we started to kind of just go sideways, right? And I fully kind of expected to see this a little bit, kind of coinciding and syncing up with everything else that I've been talking about, guys, related to you know, the overall market condition kind of being flat, everything not really doing a whole heck of a lot right now. I kind of firmly believe that this was going to happen with SHIB, and it is in fact come to pass. Okay, and so, you know, it's not surprising to me. It's not concerning to me. We've got all the major catalysts out there for SHIB, and I'm not concerned about it at all. I firmly believe that we will continue to see this develop pretty nicely, and you know, I'm okay with that, right? And so Doge is doing exactly what I kind of forecasted it would. These two blue lines here, I actually drew these lines when we were over here, as far as right when we were right in here where this big green candlestick is. I drew these lines out almost like I forecasted it. It has continued to just trade sideways in that sideways pattern. Again, this is on a 1 hour chart, as well as the SHIB is on a 1 hour chart. I think that SHIB is going to continue to trade sideways for the foreseeable future, unless we get a major catalyst like Shiba Swap launch or something like that. Let's take a look real quickly at the overall shorting position we've got over here. So right now, again, Bitcoin trading at 33,579. Long positions really standing tall, which is really good. Short selling positions 27.49, which is a nice. I'm okay with that level. You know, you can see right down here on the chart that the red line represents short selling positions and the white line represents the price of Bitcoin. But you can see the red line, it's definitely dropped, and as it dropped, the price of Bitcoin went up, you know, trading as high as 36, and it's kind of trading in that 33.5 range right now. Okay, guys, so just wanted to bring you guys an update kind of on the overall state of the union. I think that we will continue to see this develop as just a kind of a flat time right now. Could be some time to pick up some buys if you're looking to go shopping. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.